Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve LeetCode problem 100 with its same tree. So given the roots of two binary trees P and Q, write a function to check if they are the same or not. Two binary trees are considered the same if they are structurally identical and the nodes have the same value. So as you can see, these are two binary trees and these are same basically. Okay, and these are again two binary trees but these are not same. These are also not same. So we can solve this problem using recursion. So suppose if you know we are given P and Q, which are basically the roots of first binary tree and second binary tree. So if both P and Q are null, we will return true. And if both P and Q are not null, we will compare the value of P and Q, and then we will check the uh, on the left side, which is p dot left and q dot left, and on the right side we will call this its same tree on the left side and right side. And if one of them is null but other is not null, then we are going to return false. So let's write the code. If p is equals to none and q is equals to none, return true. If p is not equals to none and q is not equals to none, return basically compare p dot value and q dot value. P dot val is equals to q dot val and self dot its same tree on p dot left, uh, p dot left and q dot left, and self dot its same tree on p dot right and q dot right. Else we are going to return false. So run the code. So all the test cases are passed, as you can see. Okay, now let's submit the code. So submission is successful. Our code is working fine. And the time complexity of this code is basically order of n because we are traversing the tree only once. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.